Welcome to this tutorial. Here we're going to see how to fix iPhone that shows iPhone not available. This might happen when you have pressed many wrong password or when you have a software problem with the iPhone. So this is a 3U tool. If you don't know how to use it, you check description below. I connected the phone to 3U tool and select Smart Flash. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'll check if I have the iOS of this particular phone is iPhone 7 Plus. I doubt if I have the iOS here, so I'm going to download that. If you don't know how to download it, check the description below and also the link on how to download it. To close iTunes because I'm not going to use iTunes. I'll download this with my phone because my phone is faster. Then after downloading the iOS, please, if you're flashing iPhone, make sure that your system is connected to internet. It's important. Keep on charging your phone while you wait for iOS to download. Connect my system to internet. It's connected now. I will refresh the software, the 3U2 software. Then click on select local firmware and click on import. Let me search for the firmware or the iOS. I've selected the iOS. Then select quick flash mode on 3U2 and tap on flash. The flashing takes time. Don't panic, depending on the speed of your system. You have to wait until it finishes. So it's 6% now. I will jump some steps because it takes a lot of time. It's 7% now. %. 9%. Some people complain that when they flash iPhone, they have issues. It seems one thing, maybe the battery they use was not charged, and then secondly, it seems they don't allow the iPhone to finish flashing before disconnecting it from PC. It's counting faster now, as you can see. It's an 80%, so it will soon finish. Please, if you want to know more about this, check the description below for my course. My course treats everything about software. It has to do with phone flashing. Software is there right in my course. Take the course, you're going to enjoy it. If you have any problem, you can direct to me. It won't take time on one side. Please like and share and subscribe my channel for more. It's on 91%, so it will soon finish. Good, that is it. We're done. We've succeeded in reprogramming or flashing an iPhone that shows iPhone not available or iPhone unavailable. And the iPhone I use here is iPhone 7 Plus. So what we are going to do, we have to wait because it's a reading and it's going to boot, but we are done flashing. So wait a while. Once it boots, then everything is okay and you are good to go. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about flashing phone, please check my course on the description below. Bye.